Hey YouTube, it's Colton from the Colton1988 YouTube channel, and today I have a quick unboxing of the OCZ Agility 3 120GB SSD. I purchased this SSD from a website called 120GB about 3 weeks ago, and I finally received it this week. So now that I've found the time to finally make an unboxing video of it, I decided to go ahead and make it. And if you're wondering, the total price for this SSD turned out to be about $75, and this product does include a $10 mail-in rebate. And I also decided to make a little SSD video upgrade series where I'll basically be making my MacBook have an SSD and also incorporate a 250GB hard drive, which was originally in the MacBook. So stay subscribed if you want to see those videos. So taking a look at the packaging for this product, as you can see on the top, it does say Agility 3 2.5-inch solid state drive. On the side of the packaging it does say OCZ technology. And on the bottom of this packaging it does say 120GB, which is the capacity of this SSD, and it also does have some OCZ branding. And as you can see, this SSD is very small, and I'll kind of be giving you a size comparison later on in this video. But this SSD is very light, so that's definitely a good thing. And just some information about the product: it does have SATA 3, 6 gigabytes per second, SandForce driven, MLC flash memory, and trim support. And that's pretty much it with the packaging itself. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up the packaging. So now that I've got the packaging open, I'm going to go ahead and pull out this little brochure which has some information about this SSD. So as you can see, it does say OCZ technology, and inside you'll find a little manual with some instructions about installing the SSD and also some information about a warranty. And the next thing you find is an SSD sticker, which is branded by OCZ. It basically says, "My SSD is faster than your HHD." So that's pretty cool there. And that's about it for the little information there. Taking out the SSD itself, as you can see, this is very thin and light. It does say OCZ on the front, Agility 3 2.5-inch solid state drive, as I mentioned earlier. And it does have all the proper connections to connect this SSD to your laptop, or with a 3.5-inch drive adapter to your desktop computer. And it does fit in the palm of my hand quite well, as you can see. It just looks very nice if you have if you want to kind of display this SSD into your computer. It does look very nice with the black and kind of neon green design. I actually did not receive the $10 mail-in rebate, so I'm going to go ahead and contact 120 right now. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Also be sure to check out my social links in the description below, and have a great day.